Positive affirmations can help us reduce stress, lower anxiety, and improve overall health and well-being. After you hear and see the affirmation, repeat it aloud or in your head. I am strong. I am confident. I am successful. I am intelligent and focused. I am grateful for everything I have in my life. My life is meaningful. I am independent and self-sufficient. I am constantly growing and evolving. I am motivated. I am proud of myself. My actions are meaningful and inspiring. I believe in myself. I am in charge of my life. I make a difference. I am enough. Today is a wonderful day.